What's the meaning of A Midsummer Night's Dream? A Midsummer Night's Dream. A Midsummer Night's Dream. A Midsummer Night's Dream. A Midsummer Night's Dream. A Midsummer Night's Dream.
A Midsummer Night's Dream is a play written by William Shakespeare that tells the story of four lovers who find themselves caught up in a magical world of fairies and mischievous spirits. Through their tangled love lives and encounters with otherworldly creatures, the characters ultimately learn important lessons about love, loyalty, and the power of the imagination. The play is widely regarded as a masterpiece of comedic literature and has been celebrated for centuries for its wit, charm, and enduring appeal.